Click on the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell icon to not miss any of our brand new videos.
Hello friends, this is Deepika from Nothing Wire, and today I am here at the launch of Fujifilm Instax. So on Diwali, Fujifilm Instax has come up with two very unique products. This is our original Instax Square SQ6, but now it is customized by Taylor Swift. So in this video we'll see how the look and feel has been changed and customized by Taylor Swift herself, and this is the highlight product this time from Instax, which I am personally liking very much. This is the new Instax Share SP2. This quickly prints out the photographs from your smartphones. So this is very much required this time this time on Diwali, so that we can create our memories and preserve them. So let's take a first look of both these products. So I have Mujahid, the marketing manager of Fujifilm Instax, with us, who will brief us about the two new lovely launches from Fujifilm Instax.
Hello everyone, this is Mujahid. I'm the marketing manager for Instax. I would like to brief you first about Taylor Swift Instax SQ6. This has originally been designed by Taylor Swift herself on the way of her UK US tour for the Reputation model. As you can see on this model, when you look at the camera, it is completely designed. It has a customized logo of Taylor Swift. She's a very iconic artist and singer. You can see the carry case, which is uniquely designed for storage of films with Taylor Swift logo and her autograph. Then we have unique films with us, okay, which also each and every sheet of it comes with a black frame, and again each and every sheet is autographed by Taylor Swift, and you can see the unique packaging, overall packaging of Taylor Swift. This model comes with a price range of 14,499, and it is exclusively available on Amazon. You can start buying this product, okay, and it will be available in India from 20th of November. Hi everyone, today we will take you through the detailing of our newly launched Instax Square SP2. It's a very unique device, Instax device launched for the first time in India, which will help you take quick pictures from once you connect it to your mobile phone through your Wi-Fi's. Again, when you look at the product is very sleek, compatible and compact. You can carry it wherever you go with, okay, and it's easily connected to any kind of platform. It is compatible with your iOS as well as Android platforms. Going ahead, it is available in two colors in market. This one you can see, this is a silver color, and we also have a gold color for you. Silver and gold are the two variants which are available in the market. It is priced at very unique price, which is, you can see the price of the product is 13,499 is the unique price for SP2. It is available for sale in India from 20th of November, and it is also available with your nearest retailer, as well as when you go online you can buy it from Amazon. Then I would take you through the unique features of SP2. Once you connect it to your mobile phones, it can very rapidly click pictures within 10 seconds. It will print the shots in 10 seconds. That's the best part about it. And when you go further, it gives you superb image quality output, and you can very easily connect it to your mobile phones. Going ahead, it gives you lots of customization. When you look at the products, there are different filters which you can use, which are inbuilt with the app. For using all these filters and for printing quick pictures by connecting it to your mobile phone, you will first need to download an app which is called as Instax Share. Instax Share is the app which is available on Play Store, and it is available at free of cost. You can easily download this and share and print as many pictures as you want to in your own. So I explained you about the filters. Now going ahead, we have various templates available. You can see you can split a nice landscape picture into two parts and make unique pictures. Then you can have different filters used, and you can also print different collages. Going ahead, you can print real-time pictures from your SNS platforms, that is Instagram as well as Facebook, and you also have option of printing square prints. And There are various ways to enjoy Instax. You can create your own scrapbook, calendar, and various things. So this Diwali, we just have to say that happy Diwali, and you can use Instax SP2 and enjoy the Diwali and share lovely memories with your friends and families. Thank you.
So the best thing which I am liking here is that the moment I click a picture with my smartphone, within 10 seconds I can get a printout of it. So let's get a demo of it, Mujahid. I just downloaded Instax Share app in my phone right now, and now I've given the access to my gallery. We will just try taking a sample picture from the new Instax Share SP2.
You can see now she is selecting a picture on a phone. It will take you through the interface and say you connect it to your printer and print. Okay, printer will be searched automatically. See, it will show you the unique code and your printer will get connected. It will show you the preview and then ask for the command. You can edit the picture, you can print the picture, or you can select various templates. We're just making it simple for you guys. We are printing the picture. We gave the command, and what you'll see is like within next 10 seconds, the picture pops out of Instax Share SP2.
So guys, it is processing. You can see that.
So it is this easy and fun. And you will see your copy appearing slowly and steadily. Within next 90 seconds, your complete picture will build up. And your final copy will look something like this. You can see it slowly and steadily appearing.
This is so much fun, and we really required such kind of product. So the first look of the Fujifilm Instax 2 new Diwali launches. We'll be back soon with another tech video. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and happy Diwali guys. Bye. Thank you.